Well, good morning, folks. I'm out here taking my dog go poop, and well, everything is white, as you see behind me. I mean, everything is white. This is the winter storm Lorraine that has hit us, and I am checking the property for any damages. So Sparky's right here. He just did number 2. So, yeah. I'm gonna make sure those power lines right here isn't on the ground or somewhere. So, because this is a very heavy snow. My husband got called into work earlier this morning, and he was heading to work, but on Buck Road, and he almost hit a tree. Thankfully, he's home, Got some sort of animal tracks here. Looks like raccoon by the thumbs. I don't know if you can see it or not. Or a cat. Over there. This must be a cat. We don't have any cats here living amongst us, so this must be a cat's paw prints. Between a cat or a raccoon, can't really tell. Probably a cat. So yeah. I'll take a picture of that once again when I'm done around here. So just checking the property, viewing the nice views of this. So uh-oh. We might have a power line down. Yep, I'm gonna have a power line down. They usually ain't that low. Alright, yes, so power line right here. Very low, down to there, into the little clear view. So they might have a power line down there. So I ain't going no further. So, yep, this is what Winter Storm Lorraine looks like. And here's Sparky. He's falling into my track, so. Or not. It's probably about at least 2 inches, maybe 1 or 2 inches deep. So. I'm going to head off of here and get back in the house. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, good morning, folks. I'm out here with Sparky, of course. This is our second time out. This is the day after Valentine's Day. And this is, as you can see, the snow is slowly melting away. You know, after Winter Storm Lorraine. Right now there's ice on top of this snow, but it's still crunchy. He's walking on ice, and he's light, and he walk onto it. Ouch! A little rip. No biting hard. No. Oh, he bit me. He bit me a little bit hard on the tip of my finger. Yep. Just trying to walk around here, and I was hoping that my phone would pick up the sparkles, the sparkly of the snow. It looks like little diamonds in the snow. So probably had to do an angle here, and yep. I'm just doing my walkabout with him, so yep. Had a couple deer marks, and you know. Here, I'm here in the corral. Just checking things out. And here, there he goes, wandering off. Here. Far enough! There he comes. Oh, I'm gonna start up in there. Sit. Be gentle. Be gentle. Good boy. That time he's gentle. So, yep. Snow's melting slowly, so yep, I'll update you as much as possible as I can. So, alright. I'll talk to you later, folks. Bye.